This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, students. In today's class, I'm going to explain about example problems on RH criteria. In this class, I'm going to be explain different types. So we have the normal method and two special cases, right? So we are going to be solve on this topic. So let's move on to the topic. Okay. So this is the question. There is so already we discussed the four problems on RH criteria, right? So this is the fifth one. And so first of all, see that what is the question they asked. The characteristics of the characteristic equation of the system is given as follows. Comment on the stability of the system, right? So we have to be make that route array, and we need to know that whether the system is stable or unstable. If it is stable, how many roots are lying on LH set? If it is unstable, how many roots are lying on RH set? Right? This is the one of the method in two cases. That is, if a single row consists of zeros. Okay, let me see that. This is the chaotic equation: s square s power 6 plus 2s power 5 8s power 4 plus 12s cubed plus 20s square plus 16s plus 16 equals to 0. Now, what we have to be assumed, what we have to be considered is we have to check the higher order of the S term. So this is the higher order, right? That is 6. So 6 is the even number. Now we have to be make it as first two rows. So that first two rows depends on the catching equation, and remaining rows we can make it as based on our formula, right? So s power 6 and s power 5. So first row is we have to be considered that even coefficients of the chaotic equation. So even coefficient means s power 6, s power 4, s square, and s power 0. So 1, 8, 20, 16. So this is the first row because the first row is get by even coefficients. And next s power 5. So s power 5 is a odd coefficient, that is 2, 12, 16. So there is no term, right? We have to keep 0. Next, so this is the order we need to be considered: s power 6, s power 5, s power 4, s cubed, s square, s power 1, and s 0. Now, so first of all, we have to be make it these two rows by using characteristic equation. Now we need to find that remaining terms. Now s power 4th row. So here, how we can find this: 2 into 8, 16 minus 12 divided by 2. So what you get? 4 by 2, that is answer is 2. So first term is 2. Next, 12 into 20, that is 240 minus 16 into 8. So how much? 8 6 of 48, 128 divided by 12. So you will get 240, 128, 10 to 1, 1. So 112, 112 by 12. So this is the way you can get. So this is the term you can get. Next, 16 into 16 minus 0 divided by 6, you will get 16. Okay? So this is the fourth row you can obtain. Next, s cubed term. S cubed term you will get 2 into 12 minus 2 into 12 divided by 2, so 0. So everything is 0. Now, when the entire row becomes 0, what we have to do? We have to consider auxiliary equation. This auxiliary equation nothing but the row above the 0 terms is called as auxiliary. So we need to be form the auxiliary equation by using these coefficients. So first one is 2s power 4. So this is the even row, right? So that's why we have to be form it as a even coefficients. Yes, 2s power 4 12s square plus 16s power 0. So your s power 0 is 1, right? So it becomes 0. Now if you divide by 2, then you'll get s power 4 plus 2 6 are 12s square plus 8 equals to 0. Now this is in the form of quadratic equation, right? But quadratic equation sense s square plus s plus constant, but here s to power 4. So what I'm going to take means s power 4 is equals to x square, right? So what about s square? S square becomes x. So I'm going to be substitute these two terms in this equation. So I will get s square plus 6x plus 8 equals to 0, right? Now what we have to do is, so this is the one way, and there is another way. So what is this? 2s power 4 plus 12s square plus, next what we have to do, that is 16s power 0 equals to 0. So if you divide by 2, then you will get s power 4 6s square plus 8 equals to 0. Now this is the auxiliary equation. If you get the s cubed term, అంటే s cubed లో జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ s cubed టర్మ్స్ మీరు జీరో అంటే ఏదైనా టర్మ్స్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయాలంటే మీకు x cubed ఈక్వేషన్ రావాలి. ఇక్కడ s పవర్ 4 ఉంది. సో ఈ s పవర్ 4 ని s cubed చేయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? వాట్ వి హావ్ టు డు? వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్? ఇక్కడ s పవర్ 4 ఉంది, దీన్ని s cubed చేయాలి. సో I need to arrange that auxiliary equation. What we have to do? So differentiation with respect to s, dA by ds. You will get 4s cubed plus 12s equals to 0. So you can write s cubed plus 3s equals to 0. Now in this way, so in this term, so I can replace this term by 1 3 0 and 0. So what you will get? S square. S square term em vastundi? S square row 12 minus 6 divided by 1. So you will get 6 here. Next 3 into 16 divided by 3, 16 here, and remaining is 0. 3 6 are 18 minus 16 divided by 6. So 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. So you will get 1 by 3 here and 0, finally 16. Now tell me that whether this system is stable or unstable. How the system will be stable or unstable? Unstable. ఇంకా right. So it is a stable system. Why? Because if you observe the first column, there is no sign change. Yeah, sign change in the level. So that's why it is a stable. Now let me see that whether this procedure is correct or not. So you will see in the next slide. Right. See here. This is the term we got here. So ఇక్కడ 6 16 ని వాడు డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. 2 3 are 2 8 16 అని. సో మా ఫైనల్ 8 వచ్చింది. No problem. But you can observe here the first column is the all terms having the positive sign, right? Now, so it is a step. See, in above row, there is no change of in above array. There is no sign change. Hence, the system will be marginally or limitedly stable. Why? Because ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ చెప్తానంటే, so first of all, you had to be considered that you had to be find the roots of the equation. Auxiliary equation. So s power 4 6s square plus 8 equals to 0. ఓకేనా? దీని రూట్స్ కనుక్కున్న తర్వాత ఈ రూట్స్ కనుక ఇమాజినరీ అయితే దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ మార్జినల్లీ స్టేబుల్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రియల్ వాల్యూస్ దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్టేబుల్ కండిషన్. ఓకేనా? సో దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కన్సిడర్. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ s power 4 is equals to s square and s square equals to x. So we will get x square plus 6x plus 8 equals to 0. 4 to the 8, right? So you will get the equation x square plus 4x plus 2x plus 8 equals to 0. And if you take x is common, x plus 4 plus 2 is common, x plus 4. So you'll get x equals to minus 2 comma minus 4. Now, so if you substitute in this s square term, okay na, s terms to substitute చేస్తే s square equals to minus 2 and s square equals to minus 4 and s power 4 equals to squaring on both sides. So you will get square root. Okay na? So ఇక్కడ s square అయిపోతుంది, ఈ పొత్తలో వస్తుంది square root వస్తుంది. Okay na? So you will get s term. If you want to get, so s terms కావాలంటే s is equals to ఈ స్క్వేర్ అయితే ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ j root 2 అవుతుంది. అలాగే s ఈక్వల్స్ టు ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ j2 అవుతుంది. సో టోటల్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ ద 4 రూట్స్. ఓకేనా? సో మనం కంప్లీట్ గా ఈ క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ప్రకారం 6 రూట్స్ ఉంటాయి. బట్ we know that 4 roots and the remaining two roots మనకు తెలియదు. So these 2 roots should be in left hand side, left half of S plane. Remaining 4 roots are imaginary axis. See, the roots are there. These 2 pairs of roots are also among the roots of given quadratic equation. So ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఒకటి ఈ విధంగా ఈ లొకేషన్ లో లొకేట్ అయింటాయి ఈ రూట్స్ అండ్ రిమైనింగ్ 2 roots are locating. So already you know that when the sum of the roots are lying on LH side and some of the roots are lying on imaginary axis, then we can say this marginally stable. So you have to be identified in this way. So you can't able to stay it is stable directly. Stable and direct మీరు ఇంటిమేట్ చేయకూడదు. సో దీని తర్వాత రూట్స్ కనుక్కున్న తర్వాత రియల్ వాల్యూస్ వస్తే అది స్టేబుల్ అవుతుంది, లేదు ఇమాజినరీ వాల్యూస్ వస్తే అది మార్జినల్లీ స్టేబుల్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద వే we need to be find that whether the system is stable or unstable. Okay, so from this system it is marginally stable and 2 roots are lying on LH side and remaining 4 roots are lying on imaginary axis. So totally we will get 6 roots, right, from this equation because s power 6. So this is the way of finding that when a single row consists of all 0 elements. Next, let us see that next problem. Right. See the first one. So first one I will show you this. మీకు థర్డ్ ఇయర్ నుంచి రెండు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి RH క్రైటీరియా, రెండు రూట్ లోకస్. ఓకేనా? సో రూట్ లోకస్ కొంచెం కాంప్లికేటెడ్ వెన్ కంపేర్ టు దిస్ RH క్రైటీరియా. సో మీరు ఈ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు బాగా నేర్చుకుంటే షూర్లీ యూ విల్ గెట్ 10 marks ఇన్ దిస్ సీన్. ఓకేనా? సో ఇంకొకసారి 2 marks కూడా అడుగుతాడు ఈ రోతార్ పైన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకేనా? సో అది జాగ్రత్త చూసుకోండి. సో మీరు ఎన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తే అంత మంచి, అంత మీకు అడ్వాంటేజ్. So you can see the first question, that is 4.1. Using the Routh criterion, determine the stability of the system represented by the chaotic equation s power 4 plus 8s cubed plus 18s square plus 16s plus 5 equals to 0. So this is the 4.1 problem, and comment on the location of roots of chaotic equation. So we need to be find that where the roots are located. So this is s power 4 term, right? Surely you will get 4 roots. Now we need to know that out of 4 roots, how many roots are lying on LH side, how many roots are lying on RH side, and how many roots are lying on imaginary axis. So if you want to know this location of roots, you need to be find whether the system is stable or unstable by constructing the Routh array. So I am going to be constructing the Routh array. So we have the s power term, right? So you need to be right in this way: s power 4, s cube, s square, s power 1, and s power 0. So this is the construction of Routh array. Now the higher order is even number, right? So you need to be find that first row by even coefficient and second row by odd coefficient. So here the even coefficients are s power 4, s square, s power 0, that is 1, 18 and 5. Next, second row we need to be formed by using odd coefficient, that is 8 and 16. So I can write 8 ones are 8 2s are. So 1, 2. So there is no term, right? 0. So you need to be checked. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are remaining are 0. Okay. Now we need to find that s square row. So what is the row we can get for s square? S square లో ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏమొస్తుంది చూడండి. What is the first element in this s square? 16. And second term? What is the second term here? 5. And it is 0. Next, s power 1, first term. Sixteen to 32 minus 5, that is 27 by 60. What is the value? First term in this equation, in this s power 1 row. 32 minus 5 divided by 16. 27 by 16. ఎంత వస్తుంది? 27 by 16, right? So approximately 1.6. 1.6, and here you will get 0 and 0. So last term value, s power 0 last term. What is the value here? You will get s power 0 row. First term 16 into 5, right? Super. And remains are 0. So what is the question they asked? Find that location of roots. So you can observe this first column, there is no sentence. So it is the comment you can write. The first comment is it is stable system. It is a stable. And second one is all 4 roots are located at LH side of S plane. So this is the answer you need to be right at the end. So the elements of first column of the row 3 is observed that all elements are positive. There is no sign change. Hence all the roots are lying on left half of S plane and the system is stable. Okay. So this is the first one. Now let's see the second one. Right. Construct a row array and determine the stability of the system by static equation s power 4 to right s power 6, sorry, s power 6, 2s power 5, 8s power 4, 12s cubed, 20s square plus 16s plus 16 equals to 0. Also determine the number of roots lying on right half of S plane, comma, left half of S plane and on imaginary. So surely we will get, so first of all I'm going to write down that equation s power 6 plus 2s power 5 next 8s power 4 plus a 12s cubed plus 20s square plus 16s plus 16 equals to 0. So this is the equation they given. Now we need to find that where the roots are located. So surely you will get 6 roots for this equation. So out of 6, we need to know that how many roots are lying on LH side, how many roots are lying on RH side, and how many roots are lying on imaginary. So first of all, you need to construct the row array by making like this: s power 6, s power 5, s power 6, s power 4, s cubed, s square, s power 1, and s power 0. So first of all, you need to be construct the row array. Next, so if you see the equation, the higher order is even number, right? So you will get the first row with respect to the even coefficient and second row with respect to the odd coefficient. So for even coefficients are 1, 8, 20, 60. 1, 8, 20, 60. Next, second row we need to be formed by using odd coefficient, that is 2, 12, 16, 2, 12, 16, and here you will get 0. So you can substitute by divide by 2, so 2, 6, 8. So ఇది కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు మీరు. So దీన్ని 2, 6, 8 గా రాస్తారు. Others you can keep like this one, so no problem. So అలాగే ఉంచుకోండి. Now, what is the first term is s power 4 row? What is the first term here? So I think this is completed, right? So I think it is completed. So just now we discussed. So let's see the second one. Next one. So third one is construct a row array and determine the stability of the system represented by the static equation s power 5, s power 4, 2s cubed plus 2s square plus 3s plus 5. S power 5 plus s power 4 plus 2s cubed plus 2s square plus 3s plus 5 equals to 0. Now can comment on the location of the roots of static equation. So this is the question. they asked. Now first of all, it has the 5 roots, and we need to construct the row array by using in this model s power 5, s power 4, s cubed, s square, s power 1, and s power 0. So s power 5 terms is 1, 2, 3, 1, because s5 is odd number, right? So we need to be constructed with respect to the odd coefficients. 1, 2, 3, and s power 4th row you'll get 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5. What is the value we will get here? What is the first value in this s cubed row? First value. Zero. Next, 2 3s are 6 minus 2 5s are 10 divided by 2. So you'll get 10 minus. So minus 2 you'll get here. Now, so this is the one of the case is special too. So what the any one of the first element in any one row is 0. Okay, now suppose if you continue this problem, so what you'll get here? What is the first term in s square? Minus 2 minus, so 0 minus of minus, so 2 by 0, so you will get infinity. Next, minus 2 into 5 minus 10 minus 0 divided by, so you will get 5. Next, what is the term you will get here? Infinity into minus 2 minus 0, so divided by infinity you will get minus 2, and here 0, and minus 2 into 5 10 minus 0, see infinity divided by minus 2, so we'll get 5. So this is the one way. So there is another way. So what is the other way means? So I'm going to be right here s power 5, s power 4, s cubed, s square, s power 1, s power 0. So this type of problem we can simplify in this way also. So you can write like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5, 0, minus 2, and 0. If the first element in any row you will get 0 means, what you have to do? You have to consider a with this notation. So I'm going to be consider as a epsilon is a notation I'm considering here. Now, if you simplify this preceding rows, 2 epsilon plus 2 divided by epsilon. Here 5 will get and 0. Next, what you will get? Next row. If you simplify this, minus of that is a 4 epsilon and 5. So that you will get. So at that I'm going to write 5 epsilon square plus 4 epsilon plus 4 divided by 2 epsilon plus 2, and second term is 0, and finally you will get 5. Now, so you can simplify this type of problem in this way or in this way also. Okay. Now, if you substitute epsilon is equals to 1, so whatever it may be, if you epsilon any value, whatever, so it is greater than 0. Don't forget, it should be greater than 0. If you substitute any value up to infinity, so you will get same sign here, positive, 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 negative, positive. So it from this sign changes whether the system is stable or unstable. So how many types of sign changes? So it is surely it is unstable. And how many types? How many times of two times? So from positive to negative. So there is two roots are lying on RH side. ఓకేనా సో ఇటువంటి ప్రాబ్లం అంటే ఏదైతే ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ జీరో అవుతుందో ఎనీ రో యూ కెన్ డూ ఇన్ దిస్ మెథడ్ ఆర్ ఇన్ దిస్ మెథడ్ దేర్ ఇస్ వన్ మోర్ మెథడ్ ఇస్ దేర్ అది కూడా చెప్తాను సో చెప్పిన తర్వాత మీకు క్లారిటీ వస్తుంది సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ దట్ మెథడ్ ఆల్సో సో ఎప్పుడైతే మీకు ఈ విధంగా జీరో అని వస్తుందో సో ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఇది కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తారు ఈ సిస్టమ్ సో యూ కెన్ సీ దిస్ దెర్ ఇస్ అప్టైన్ ఆఫ్ జీరో సో వెన్ యూ అప్టైన్ జీరో just you can proceed in this way. So I'm going to be erase this. సో ఈ స్టెప్ మాత్రం మీరు కంపల్సరీ చేయాలి ఇది చేసిన తర్వాత మీరు ఈ స్టెప్ కానీ ఇప్పుడు చెప్పబోయే స్టెప్ కానీ ఏదైనా వేసుకోవచ్చు సో దిస్ is the second method I'm going to be teaching now. So in second method, what you are going to do means just replace S is equals to 1 by Z. So ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఈ పర్టికులర్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో S ప్లేస్ లో 1 by Z పెట్టండి సో ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఏమొస్తుంది 1 by Z పవర్ 5 ప్లస్ 1 by Z power 4. So this is the second method. So you can do in this way also. And the third one is 2 into 1 by Z cubed plus 2 into 1 by Z square plus 3 into 1 by Z plus 5 equals to 0. Now if you simplify the common denominator you will get so the common denominator is Z power 5 and the numerator will get 1 plus Z power 4 plus 2Z cubed plus so you will get Z here Z so ఎందుకంటే so if you multiply this you will get Z power 4 right 1 plus Z plus 2Z square plus 2Z cubed plus 3Z power 4 plus 5Z power 5 equals to 0. So if you simplify 1 divided by Z power 5 plus Z divided by Z power 5 1 so 1 Z cancel they will get you'll get 1 by Z power 4 and Z square so you'll get Z cube. So this is the way and finally I'm going to write this equation 5Z power 4 plus 5Z power 5 plus 3Z power 4 plus 2Z cubed plus 2Z square plus Z plus 1 equals to 0. Now we had to be find that root array by use for this equation. So just I'm going to write z power 5, z power 4, z cubed, z square, z power 1, z power 0. First you will get 5, 2, 1. Second you will get 3, 2, 1. What is the first term in z cubed row? First time చూడండి. What is the first term in z cubed row? Right, minus 1.33. So find the second term also. Second term. So second term. Second term is చేయాలండి 3 into 1 minus 5 into 1 divided by 3. So ఈ విధంగా చేసుకోవాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇది ఇంటూ ఇది, ఇది ఇంటూ ఇది, ఇది ఈ విధంగా చేసుకుంటూ పోవాలి. Three minus 5 divided by 3. So last time 0. So here you will get minus 0.66. Okay, now? So for z square term you will get minus 1.33 into 2 plus 3 into 0.6. So you will get 0.5, 0.51. And so what is the value you get here? So here you will get 1 and 0. Here 1.94. Here 0, 0 and 1. So if you observe that first column, there is only two times of sign change. One from positive to negative and negative to positive. So you will get two sign changes. So this is the way we can do the problem. Okay? Next I will see that one more problem. So do this problem. The kinetic equation is s power 7 plus 9s power 6 plus 24s power 5 plus 24s power 4 plus 24s cubed plus 24s square plus 23s plus 50. So find the root array for this equation. స్టూడెంట్స్ చేశారా? సో ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి. ద సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ విల్ డిస్కస్ ఇన్ టుమారో క్లాస్. ఓకేనా? సో ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎండ్ దిస్ క్లాస్ నౌ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.